Now let's look at another example. It says that a loan of $4,000 was repaid with all simple interest included. So that means we use the simple interest formula at the end of the 6 months via a check for $4,255. The question is, what is the interest paid? And what is the I? And what is the annual interest rate R? Okay, so the loan is $4,000, okay, with all simple interest. At last was repaid by a check for $4,250. So the difference between the two $4,250 and the 4,000, we take the difference. It's equal to $255. So this would be the actual money for the loan, okay? So this is also the interest. So here from this example, this is the simple interest, okay? I is equal to $255. So the question is, what is the annual interest rate? Okay, we know that I is equal to P times R times T, right? So now our T is equal to, at the end of 6 months, so it's T equal to 6 months. So we need to convert to be years, so it's 6 over 12 years. So which is 1.5 years, okay? So we have, this is 255, and the principal, which is at the beginning, which is 4,000, and the T is 0.5 years. So what is R? So R is equal to I divided by P times T. So we plug in the numbers. So this is 255 divided by P, which is the principal 4,000, times the T is 0.5. So this would be 255 divided by 2,000. Okay, 2,000, right? Yes. So this is the 255 divided by 2,000, which is equal to 0.1275. But and the rate should use the percentage. So this would be, we multiply by 100. So it's 12.575%. So this is the interest rate. Now let's look at this interesting problem. An advertisement claims a short-term loan in which the borrower will only pay simple interest. The advertisement says, you will only pay 30 cents per day for every $500 that you borrow. Okay, suppose you borrow 2,000 for 90 days. How much interest you will owe? Okay, so this is for every $500 you need to pay 30 cents per day. So now we borrow $2,000. So how many $500 we have in $2,000? So it's the 2,000. This is number A. 2,000 divided by 500. So there are 4 $500, right? For a 2,000. So in other words, we have every $500 we need to pay 30 cents, which is $0.3, right? $0.3. So we need to multiply by 4 because we have $500 for 2,000. So we multiply by 4. So that means, so every 500 you need to pay $0.3. So now you have $500. So you have to pay $1.2 per day, right? So how many days we have? We have 90 days. So 90 days. So 1.2 times 90, which is $108. Okay. So this is the interest you need to pay at the end of the 90 days. So the second problem is, what is the annual interest rate for this loan deal? So since this is the simple interest, so we use the simple interest. I is equal to P times R times T. Alright, so we know I is equal to, we just calculate this. I is equal to $108 and P is equal to 2,000, right? R is unknown, we need to calculate, and T is 90 days. So T is 90 days, so the first thing we need to do is, because it's not in years, so we need to convert to be years. So we in general, for our convenience, we always count the 1 year equals 360 days. So this one, 90 days would be 90 over 360. So this would be 1/4, right? 1/4 is 0.25 years. 0.25 years. So I equals, so let's plug in everything. So we want to calculate this R. Okay, R is equal to I divided by P times T, right? So we do the calculation, we plug in everything. I is, we just calculate, this is the $108. And P is 2,000, right? 2,000 times T is 0.25. So we take the multiplication in the denominator first. So this is 108 divided by 500. Okay, 500. So it's equal to 108. Use your calculator. So this would be 0.216. So actually the interest rate is about 21.6%. Okay.